to the or not to duh? That is the question. Many of my new students find making the TH sound difficult and problematic. I help them perform better pronunciation with techniques I thought would be nice to share with you. And I am going to show you 2 ways to form the TH sound. You can also download a PDF practice worksheet and I'll link it below. You can download it in A4 size and American letter size. You can print it or use it on your device in colour or black and white. Before we carry on, let's do a few simple tests. Can you tell the difference between these sounds while watching my mouth? Da, 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 da. This, 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 this. Find a mirror and watch me pronounce this word, this, and pause the video. Try doing the same while watching yourself in the mirror. Where does your tongue start and finish? If your tongue hits the base of your teeth up here, the sound results as a D sound. If you're doing it correctly, the tongue sits at the bottom of your upper front teeth and is visible, but not poking through them. And that is the hard TH sound, which looks like this in the workbooks, and in action looks like this. The. Let's do a hard TH sound checklist. Check that you're doing these things. We don't breathe through the hard TH sound, unlike the soft TH sound, which we will see soon. Place your tongue just slightly in front of your teeth, then flick your tongue back to produce the sound. Da. Da. Squeeze your tongue against your front teeth. Your tongue should rebound off the bottom of your upper teeth here. And don't poke your tongue through your teeth. No, no, no. Your tongue should curl back as you make the TH sound. Right, watch my hand movement. This is how the tongue moves back from the teeth. There. There. Why is it important to distinguish between the D and the TH sound? Let's try 2 examples of why native speakers might be confused. Listen to the difference between these words. There, 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 there. And between these words. They, day, they, day. Now before we look at the soft TH sound, look at the difference between these 2 words. One is a soft TH sound and the other a hard TH sound. They think. They think. Did you see it? Let's continue with the soft sound. This is the phoneme symbol we find in the workbooks. Look at this diagram and the tongue is landing between the teeth. Okay, soft TH sound checklist. It's almost the same as the hard TH sound, except with 3 big differences. 1, the tongue pokes through the teeth just slightly. Imagine the tongue stroking or massaging the top teeth. 2, there is no vocal sound. 3, we breathe through the sound. Let's do 2 examples with the soft TH sound. 33. Now let's try that with the D sound. Dirty, dree. Can you see the difference? Dirty, dree. 33. Now it's time to practice the sounds in sentence form. There are 33 cookies in the bag. Think about all the cookies in that bag. Great! Remember to download the PDF worksheet and practice. And if you have something else you would like me to help you with, leave your requests in the comments below. And I will see you very soon. Bye!